In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom domain for your Substack publication. This process is a great way to create a more professional online presence, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. Let's start by logging into your Substack account. Head over to substack.com, where you'll be greeted with the sign-in page. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on your homepage or dashboard, depending on where you left off the last time you were on Substack. Next, we need to navigate to the settings. To do this, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. It's usually a small circle with your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon, which will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of your publications if you're managing more than one. Select the publication that you want to work on by clicking on its name. After selecting your publication, proceed to click on Settings, and you'll be directed to a new page. Once you're on the settings page, you'll need to find the custom domain section. This step is crucial for adding that professional touch to your publication. Scroll down the page until you reach the domain settings. Within this area, you should see an option labeled Custom Domain. Click on this, and you'll be greeted with a series of setup prompts that guide you through the process of connecting your domain. When setting up a custom domain, make sure you have your domain provider's account information handy. Substack will likely prompt you to make specific adjustments to your DNS settings. These changes are essential to connect your new domain to your Substack publication effectively. Follow the instructions carefully and double-check the details to avoid any disruptions. A quick tip: the process may require some time for DNS settings to propagate, which means it might take a few hours or a day before your domain is fully operational with your Substack publication. Be patient, and in case of any snags, Substack support resources can be of assistance, providing guidance on common issues faced during this setup process. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to set up a custom domain for your Substack publication. By following these steps, you'll bring a personalized and professional touch to your online presence. Remember, having a custom domain is more than just a vanity URL, it's building your brand. Whenever you're ready, you can revisit these instructions to refresh your knowledge or assist a friend. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Good luck with your publication.